Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. Today in this lecture we will discuss about coal. Okay, in my previous lecture on coal and petroleum, I told you about what are inexhaustible natural resources and what are exhaustible natural resources. So coal comes under the exhaustible natural resource. Okay, because it can be exhaustible by human activities. Okay, so it comes under the, you might have seen coal. It is of black color, hard as stone. Color is black, hard as stone. Okay, and you might also have heard that coal was previously using in to run the train. Okay, the steam engine of the trains were run on the coal and on the combustion of the coal. Okay, so this was like the use of the coal. This was one of the use of the coal. Nowadays it was also used in thermal power plant, where the energy from coal is converted to thermal power plant, electrical energy. Okay, so now I will tell you about how coal is formed. Okay, so let me erase first all this. Okay students, now comes to story of coal, how the coal was formed. Okay, around 300 millions years ago, the earth had, students, the earth had dense forest areas, lies in the low lying areas of the earth, wetland areas. Okay, means earth had low lying dense forests in wetland areas. Okay, so these forests, when the flood comes, these forests got buried under soil. Okay, so what happened was, when the flood came, these forests got buried under the soil. Okay, and after the soil get deposited over them and they were compressed. So it was like that. Here it is, and here I am showing the forest. Okay, so it was forest and it is soil. So soil covered the forest. Okay, when these forests were compressed, the temperature also rose as they sank deeper and deeper. As the forest sank, as they goes deeper and deeper, the temperature goes on increasing. Okay, so you know that in the earth crust the temperature goes on increasing. So the temperature was increasing as the forests were going on deeper and deeper. So there was a lot of pressure of the soil. So under high pressure and high temperature, okay, dead plants, these were the plants, dead plants got converted into coal. Okay. So students, I hope now you guys can write if it come in exam that how coal comes into picture. Okay, so you can write around 300 million years ago, Earth had low-lying dense forest in wetland areas. When flood came, these forests get buried under the soil. Okay, and more and more, time by time, these forests get sank deepens. Okay, and as the forest goes deep and the temperature of the forest rises there. Okay, and under the high pressure and under high temperature, dead plants got converted into the coal. So students, this is the story behind the conversion of coal. So in my subsequent lecture I will tell you about what are the product of coal, okay, and how we can use in our day to day life. Okay students, I hope you are pretty clear about story of coal. In my next lecture I will tell you about the useful products of the coal. Okay, and if you have any doubt regarding this lecture, then please do comment in the comment section students. I will be happy to help you guys there. And also download the app of Scholars Learning from App Store or Play Store. Happy learning. Thank you.